This video is a quick tutorial on how to make an AI image using Genolve. The first thing you're going to want to do when you get to the Genolve website is to sign in or sign up in the upper right hand corner. Without doing so, you are unable to save your work. Next, you're going to want to pick one of these prompts. I'm going to choose World Days. World Days lets you know what holidays are happening today and what are happening tomorrow. Let's do International Rock Day. You can start by clicking Make an Image. I'm going to choose Image Only, and down here is where you put the prompt. Once you're ready, click Go. If you would like to choose a different image, you can choose from these different AI image generators. Let's try DALLE. I'm going to keep the same prompt, but we can change the style. Let's do Fun and Playful. Once you're ready, click Go. In the meantime, I'm going to get rid of the decoration and I'm going to get rid of the text. We can change this later. It generates up to 3 different images, but it can take some time. I'm going to choose this image, and now we can add our text. Click Edit Text and put Happy Rock Day. Next, you can choose from different fonts. I'm going to choose this one. It's a little bit hard to see, so we're going to do a box text, which will just make it stick out a bit more. We can also change the size, and I'm going to set it right there. We can also add a decoration, another text, a flare, or an image. Let's pick a decoration. I am going to choose a star. You can pick from these different stars, and you can change the color or the style. We'll set this up here in the cloud. Once you are done, you hit Save/Download. Hit Submit and Download. There you are. Thank you for watching this tutorial.